Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You are watching Thrive, and I'm your precious host, Fafali. I've been talking to Salome Agbenyo. She's a businesswoman. Rebecca Tree, and yes, sir, Rebecca Tree. We are going to speak tree. This one is dynamic tree. I beg you, close to your left ear and open the right one. This beautiful outfit is from QFE Fashion and Glitz Designs. My beautiful hair is from Ghost Hand Beauty Salon, located at West End Taxi Rank. You can contact them on 0547991861. Redolent Couture is calling you. They are into men fashion. They say we ladies we ye having enti omu pe yasem. Or omu pe ladies asem. Mainly strictly for men. Redolent, he's a very good designer. They train as well. Agbada, African wear shirts and top. I say combination is this up and down, right? Trousers, your children's school uniform, especially the boys. If you have a school that is looking for a seamstress or a tailor that will like in contracts, you bring it in contract. Redolent Couture is ready. They are located at Tuba Emmanuel Estate, not far from the main toll boat, Tuba Runabout. Where the toll booth is, they are not far away from, I think, a 5-minute drive from the toll booth to their shop. You can contact Redolent Couture on 0597 345024. 0597 345024. This show is sponsored by QFP Fashion, my own brand, and Q-Link. Q-Link is a company, if you need genuine land in Ghana, genuine land, only genuine land. They have no litigation. They are all genuine. Takwa, Koforidua, Kumasi, Accra, any part of Ghana. You can contact Q-Link on 0504603639. They will link you to build in comfort. Salome, you are welcome. Yeah, you were talking about, you met a police officer and then he took you to their barracks, right?
And I mean, police in Jamudi Mikomo barracks. But last time, no one you constable for half an hour pass out.
Okay.
It's a Yamuku on the station of Anacho barracks. It's a never can I move. And I make a calm. It's a
junior police officer. So we a junior, you were among them like a junior police officer.
Miss Namiso, yes, here, Becca. And yeah, my co join you on one year, Miss Me a constable, sir.
My God.
Now on your rank, you're a constable.
Okay, they were about to pass out. Okay.
And yeah, well, sir, no see Darby, or your police in it, as I say. Yen play fee, non family member. Me fan in Chile ma for okay ni mate baako e calm and I ye buy and I Mr. Mother say be papa ni ho eti onko enti opamu no so onko eti emuna na menene wawa e me maten no baako ushom finfin e dani ye top and down
Okay.
eti abansoro no the side the same na ye the net no na ye the mattress no at one na ya share net no.
Okay, wuni police officer no?
Police ni no.
Okay.
Na ya da ho emu na nyi sen ko bae mo esese mi ko fie na mi si mi ko eno si se na nyama me one
so you stay with him how many months?
Oh, I know they're not but man kai date na. No.
But it's more than 6 months or a year.
Ever Bruce is a ever bro.
Okay.
It is that time no. Send me wo fanso ama announcement e hwehwe me say mayila. No nim say me wo police ni ne ho.
Okay.
It is send na news ne ba no. Esese me kofie. na one day be me open mate for 3 it's na my sister the friend my sister if you dance so ma e kan ye ho that day ye call ye dey and na me wo fa de sikan o de sikan teenage
He want to butcher him, eh? What? Why? Why did he chase him?
So we reality na my family na yansi for ma na kebe case. Satan na menyum 3 months and do 3 days and ni on station e bae wanja kofodua omo ye mema 5 police woman ba kope but ono ye ketra no si mi kofi na msi me fanyi say kofi o eti dade ne de me diomwechi eti kan mo bia na fi awa pass out na unu gare koi minti omo case kra ene ye ko du ye kofodua nyezi eti ye ko du kofodua na nyezi eti omo di ne ko headquarters were then in the classroom wo and it's so omunda for
classroom
it's so omunda for the meantime na yen fa pe baby mom omudan nyame ye ya don na fidi o benya ne dan yenya dan no ene na mene no ene nye ize yanya ne bete
ye bete sa
police ni pay say constable wasako ya constable ye kusu afi na nyinsen because that time ope bibi kakra ma market se min cotton sugar ma cotton sugar nyinsen min husu kwedu ni nkatie still abraboni nye easy ade na wo ton enu na ubedi eti ubedi ni ewo na ade ne sa obeka sa wo sa kofa eti mi wuye
when you were with him, he passed out, you got pregnant, they transferred you to Koforidua. Did he marry you?
David no wale me.
Okay.
On wale me kra before say obe wale me kra na mene no na ya was but ba ko if you meet 5.
Okay.
Answer all wale me.
Okay.
And nobody make us say ya me wo 5 whatever 5 answer
before he got married to you.
Answer all wale.
So where's your ring?
And also ya wale ye wo ho wa wunim sa wale for better for worse.
Was it court wedding?
Court wedding.
Okay.
And say onko wale bi. Me so say me so me onko wale bi. But me wo best.
What actually happened before you separated? What was the problem?
They were starting no say or per se on wale bi and come. And I'm saying
but he's a Muslim. Muslims
only me say a quarter wale. Etu ye den ya. And as those so ya Muslims umfre nyame. Ufre nyame a and obe wale akame. But before this obe wale me no me katele ne say me pet 2 wife. Me pet 3 wife. Just so ye Muslims enti me pe. And oti ase.
But later on no.
Ate chile no. Asi daddy is a son wale bi enkame. Enie manya ni easy. Beneno me ko ka chiro oba ne say okoso pa oba ne so onpre. Me wan so no ne oba ne wo ho dada. Na waba na wabeka chem say wa share madam mi kromuni eti eyo pa wade fine mi so obeba na mene no komo but na mene say mbe kura no eti echira mi be hu ye no e na girl no so say won wale no e no no so say mi nko ka che girl ni sopen e na
he was sending you to go and tell the girl
ra oton koko na wakoka che ni nyon koko ra say meto koko ana eti minko ene masumi otumi bumia me friend me papa otumi bum na mako charge office ho asemu no ekudum penefo no so bumi dia the rank no better so meeting obumia na wapa me cho say oh yes sorry
was it does it drink? Onumsa.
Onumsa. It is sonumsa na minimudia. Aha. And it mean to me, chile, any manyan easy or the family or chile miss. Pa.
Oh.
Na kofodia. Na osidan. Ewo honum. Boys no mbesi dan na makoye operation. Awo meba small boy no.
Is it the last one?
The last born. Me one so sa small boy na person mi koyi na person mi koyi no mi koyi ni tungu. Me koyi abortion first. Sa omo ye twins. Eti mi koyi omo mi koyi abortion say na girl nti me nyimu ye no ka che mi say me wododo. Eti omo mi koyi abortion.
Wait. I did not understand this side. Please don't tell me I spoiled. You are fucking the person. Every night you jump on this lady and have sex with her. Were you not expecting pregnancy? Definitely she'll be pregnant. Especially those of us who are fruitful. Forgive me, please. I'm not talking about myself. You said she should go and abort it. And the more she abort the pregnancy, the more you have sex with her. Staying with her in the same... What kind of wickedness is that? Then that means if you don't need a child or you don't want her to get pregnant, then don't have sex with her. I should polish my word. No. Some of you men, you are too wicked. So heartless and so wicked. You don't want a baby or you don't want her to give birth again. But you were having sex with her. But you men, let me ask this question. You men, how did God create you? Sometimes I ask myself why. Is it the same clay God used to create you or different clay? Because some men, they reason straight. But some of them, their reasoning power is zigzag. Imagine this story. You were having sex with a woman. You know definitely that she will get pregnant. But if she get pregnant, you want her to abort it. Well, reasonable. Yeah, can you say? Yeah, it's not reasonable. It has no tail. It has no leg. It has no head. Just because you want to marry a different woman, so you want her to sacrifice herself. Oh my God! Some of you men, you don't respect women. You don't value women. It's not good like that. He was beating you up.
Me kwa ye no say omo ye twins. Me kwa ye and 6 months. And I mean who says still
you were not feeling fine. After you went and aborted the pregnancy, he was still having sex with you? That very day?
That day night. Only me better cry na me strike so. Osi dabi edie ba ko obedi me na me den na my
what kind of wickedness
is actually no sana mbe say me hunya me fine.
So how many abortions did you do?
Once.
Okay.
Me kwa hospital me kwa ye lab eye bibia na ese me nyam eti ye ko doctor ne ho ye ko yem e no se nkwala ne ye tu
your husband no
ye ko hospital doctor enti yako ye na yesi menyam na we 4 months eti omu ye twins na ma be yi ba ko no ntaka ba ko eti mi temti se me yi ba ko na me enti
okay
eni ye ba efi o si mi nkoyi mi san ko ya abortion bi enye is police wife why sugar
it's a boy right
why sugar ni Guinness na ya missy men no me breed sa but still
the pregnancy was hidden.
Ade chi antokwa sa menyem beating na mi su mi didi na mi su
with the pregnancy
na mi nyin sen sa mata mo su ye enkola 5 po aba ko film gram yankasa na me wu no but we afi do time yes ye be operation no so me ko una 12 months 2 weeks.
Those kind of children, yes, they are called boss shaper.
Yes. You see, your operation for 4. omu nyina koye adumi nkoa beso me ni last me koye operation me ro operation room and a light nyina off
Oh.
yeah so generator hwim na doctors fo omu yesi asole ben na meko but satan na meko prayer Twitter says ye free pastor no na me kompai bobi so wo man 50 ye free pastors no and pai bom bossa ade ayede me ko anopa 9 o'clock maybe 2:30 to 3
You suffered.
me wie ye na doctor ni say nyame dome ba na feni abisuro ni say Guinness ni sugar na minumu ye nu baby be form but ade erade ye wanya mark bia woni mark wanya wonu say me wo best mark wo mechi.
That's the handsome boy you have.
Wow. Ena me de buy eti enu no ena ne papa say eni odi be wale me ahye me kawa eti da ye betu akola ni din no.
Okay.
That day ena ye de ye wedding engagement
Everything.
Ye wedding no ewie ye no mo amunim say wedding ye die 52 months to 3 months and then easy me blay yo.
Oh my God.
Yeah obi aya me operation papa yi sit down masua nsuo me ye aduane me ka benku se fufuo choba ben na menye bi ma recruitfo no se omo ko sit down ama me ne memba edi yeti ebeto ichile papa yi se efie ni temi pese mi ko na ni manya ni is eno to fi barras e jam ho eno ko fi ni
Okon fie.
me wo barras wo so mpe mi on fa me kokotu on ko jam it ese so fi di mi no ma mi aduane me didi o se na me je o enfa na
He wasn't feeding you.
on fi di mi.
So how many children were you having then?
Na ye 1.5 so do kan 1.5.
Aye. So how do you feed them?
Ekola ni do mu go school.
He was looking after them.
But me mother ni dey on hwe ma bresa
After the wedding?
After chile osi makobo adwaman that's what we say makobo adwaman.
What happened?
Makofa boy me papa ye say awale no ebe jina
But still.
and since then they say me and my sister mother baako father baako aka chile ne say me wo boy na nye me papa ho na me padia any fine idea ade achia otumi bumia me ka chile me papa na me papa je no ade na wabumi onu fa ni sa na ade na na nye easy da ko die se na ye no na osofo ohira wale no o se mi nko fie ho
Go back to your father or ni fie
no me na me so me bless ye ti ye kokota me de wo mu nti me ko ye that day no bu me fine.
Is he really a police officer? Because
no police no pamu me around 12 o'clock was that time ne dey na nyame anim manya na easy but ebe do me people na yam se me nyeduru amanu
no.
but near ade anyame beye say.
So when was that time things became so tough you nearly kill yourself?
That time no and I make person me community na me shedem but so am so ani say me nya poison bia na sa but the moment me dream sadie ni pe na me hwe kokoko me ko bia na me pastor base ye be bom paye.
What happened that day with him?
What jam wo barras no kwa efie foforo nim
Orenti anasi
ni fia e dan na yesi ye wie ye satam na ye wie ye na waja me ho eti the way afinya ma kona pastors ni anyway na omma mi ko report asem ni ma osi eti osi di asem no ko ma no say eya onhwe mi a month bia no eti before na a month no mu yesa wanya ni pay beba no omu beti me die da ku bi bronya frɛ no na me man afishapa na me ka chenso afisese na ye nyina ya kabom na ya tena se fefefe kwasia megimi se man ko men fi ho ampake me nyama nko a mewu oba bumi kumi ahyedem ama me fun anomba befa me ni na tena 25 years wa 30 me
25 years
wa 30 me na me ko report
because you did not permit him to marry another woman. The reason he was treating you so that you pack and leave and another woman will come. And then he was going out with that woman. When you were with him, he was going out with the woman.
Not a woman, but actually no. Get Nikra as a jan. Echo while you be for no wedding.
Good. And you said this one is not good. You were punishing your wife because of someone. She also leave you. The children were with you.
Darby, no more.
Salo, how do you push through hard times? To say a Janet be any ho, Sikai be any ho, Obwa, your friend is saying, helper be any ho. How do you eat? How do you push through? How do you survive?
I do maybe a be new as a sawdasa. A be new ho. As a sawdasa, but a no, near me when you say, a boy make a crab a pimwene. It's an emma, and yet de biana minya midi. Me Felisa make a churu be say, comedy me. Me need a nest can me one me the better dianidi. Oh, whom ya the way I may have actually who before say. Me will be ama, but me shed them one. Me nyanko.
Sometimes you don't have food to eat. But you sleep empty stomach. So if it is 3 days, 4 days, you sleep like that.
Are you
not having siblings or children? Your children, are they not working?
Student.
Oh, they are still young.
Sadia nama fasting 6 to 6 na minimum ye but say me to me.
Oh my God. Because of the hunger.
Ebi ni wait me. Eti mi shedemu dia. Eni obi enim say comedy. But the moment I make people na me nim ye mi say enti mi mpie.
Oh my God.
Eni na mi shedemu.
Salo, what is that thing? That's one thing you wish to change. You wish to change about yourself. To say, won't go school. Abrabono, ayedin, won't niska, won't juma. Which one do you want to change in your life? Is it poverty or to say won't go school? Na say a chance for fraud or like you've been given birth fresh to say akora, you go to school or you become a market woman. Which one do you want to change if you've been given
opportunity? Nyame madum na se me akola fofo kra na adum bi dum mesua. Be pesika ye business. Aye juma school there out.
Oh, so I don't school sem.
Madri adwini ni school no.
Adwini you become a lawyer, you become MP, you become a pilot, you become
adwini nyina ye tonwade manyaska eno no bi so.
Oh, adwin kesi enyesa. Enyesa na okai.
Mesu me dia ni se me koton ade na menyaska me koton
ade na. So if you have opportunity and to start life afresh, you want to become a great business tycoon or great businesswoman. So what are you doing now? Why?
Asante for one amuka masem for na.
No.
And yes.
Oh, and you better say. Salo, what advice will you give to the public? What will you tell them? Those people who are facing the same problem you went through and still going through. What will you tell them?
Rice ni sɛ ɔbaa mo amo ani tua sɛ yɛsi so na sɛ ɔho bɛrima na wodi bɛrima no awofoɔ ampene sɛ nwale bɛrima no a yɛsɛ sɛ yɛnti ɔmo aseɛ but normally no nea mehu ne so sɛ ɛyɛ lucky awaleɛ yɛ lucky
yes.
ɛno no saa na ɛbɛba no ɛna beginning ni nso no mo awo ni sɛ wohu bɛrima no a ɛneɛ enjoyment deɛ bi wɔ but
Fresh love.
first second third
Asɛm bebree bɛba bɛsi ɛnyɛ saa asɛm
Yes.
bebree bɛsi ɛnɛ wei ɔkyena wei
esi wobɛyɛ ɔmo dɛn first ɛna yɛ parent foɔ no ɔmo nim ɛna ɔmo si nkɔlaa ne nti na ɔmo akɔ agye ɔmo ate sesei no sɛ na ayɛ no mami ga ɛnyɛ nkɔlaa ne nti run your life.
What do I want to ask this question? So even if you give birth to 5 children and the man is misbehaving, the woman is supposed to leave, quit the marriage, and have her peace. Is that what you are saying?
ɛsɛ sɛ ɛwɔ but wote hɔ nyame anyɛ wadom afei nkɔlaa no wobɛwɔ agye ɔmo hɔ hwan na wagye ɔmo ama
Oh.
but sɛ wokɔpɛ wo baabi na wowɔ hɔ a ɛnyɛ kra ɛdi kra ɔmo to voice kra ɔmo sɛ ɔmo yɛ okay
Oh.
but nanka ɔmo story ni sɛ na mo maame so a ɛna ɔmo papa sɛ na ɔyɛɛ nti wagu agye ɔmo ɛnyɛ nti nea ɛyɛ ne sɛ wodeɛ efie nyɛ kra twe wo ho na pɛ wo baabi na tumi ɛtena se ɛmmerɛ nyame de ma wo ɛfa hwɛ wo mma.
Oh. Salo is saying that just leave that toxic marriage and relationship and stay far away. So life, it's with strategy. If it is not going on or your life is not going well, you replan it. If you're in that toxic marriage and then it's terrible for you, leave and find your peace. The life God will give you, you use it, or you stay and look after your children. So do you still look after them, your children? You speak with them?
Oh,
What about their father? Is it that he wants you to come back?
Oh, I'm a father dear.
You don't want to go back to him. He also don't want you to back.
Treatment I'm a family one honor.
You don't want it anymore.
So
you want to marry again?
I'm married.
What kind of man do you want to marry?
Oh, Bema. Oscar.
Okay.
Bema osuru nyamia obehwe me fa obeboa me meso meboa.
You said a man who is God fearing.
God
fearing. Okay, so say on the Bema no on strong nyame
kra no oye good.
Or
no behwe me no osco behwe me. Meso mehwe ne se ne beya se me hu kire me obeboa meso ne hu kire no meboa. Sa Bema ni bi na.
Okay, so, let me ask again. If you find someone who want to help you financially so that you sell at your this stage, will you accept it?
May.
Will you do it? Apart from the help, what else are you looking for? A homemade, teaching? What kind of job do you want?
Menya house help metumi aye.
Okay.
Menya sanani meye. Menya cleaner meye.
You said hospital, cleaning,
meye.
School.
Office, school meye. Now store ano. Na menhwe ho ma.
What about chop bar?
Enu so metumi aye. Chop bar no na metumi oja ho. Sa operation we nti.
Because of the heat, no. The heat is
na heat wo me breathe
because of the heat. Is there nothing you can do about it?
The doctor said this mark.
Okay. Okay.
Anytime. Our birth mark.
Where your birth mark?
It's anytime.
That's what is there or?
Flow. Time.
What about this place too? Is it there?
This one there. It's anytime. It's a baby bibi twa me se me bredi saa nti me nkɔ fire ɛyɛ heat ɛni me bredi wobɛfo sɛ me yɛ abɔhye.
That's the reason you can't work with fire. If can you give out your telephone number so that if someone is having a shop, is looking for a nanny or any that sort, will contact you.
Me telephone number ne yɛ 05 37 09 202 94.
Okay, mention it again.
05
05
37
37
09
09
02
02
94.
94. If you have a shop, if you are looking for a shop attendant, if you are looking for nanny, if you are looking for sales girl, if you are looking for cleaner in your offices or your companies, you can contact Salome. Her name is Salome Agbenyo. This show is brought to you by the kind courtesy of QFB Fashion and QLink. QLink is a company that deals in genuine lands, only genuine lands alone, only genuine lands. If you want to build in comfort, any part of Ghana, Kumasi, Accra, Koforidua, Takwa, Hawaii, any part of Ghana, you contact QLink on 050-460-3639, 050-460-3639, and QFP Fashion. Look at how beautiful I'm looking today. So gorgeous. This is designed by me, myself, and I. QFP. That's my brand anyway. And I have another brand. This is called Glitz Fashion. That's one. Glitz Design. Yeah, Glitz Design. Glitz Design. If you want dresses, boo, African wear, big auntie. We call some big auntie. We call some kimono. Yes, you order. If you want to order in bulk, you order in bulk. We will deliver 10 pieces, 100 pieces, any number you want. Glitz Design will bring it to you at your doorstep. You call QFP or Glitz Design 0541 97 0441 or you call 024 916 1126. You see how I'm looking like Rita Dominic today? Or you say I'm exaggerating things. Yes, this hair is from God's Grace Beauty Salon. They are located at Emmanuel Estates, just around the taxi rank, Emmanuel Estate taxi rank. You will locate the salon there. They are into weave-on making, dreadlocks, fixing of weave-on, pleating, rasta, anything. They even sell wig. Yes, they are very good. You contact God's Grace, God's Grace Beauty, Grace of God Beauty Salon on 0547 1861. 0547 1861. Take a very good care of yourself because it's Friday. Do not drink and drive. Please do not drink and drive because it's weekend. I love you so much. It will not be long. We'll be celebrating Christmas and we will meet a new year. 2026 is just around the corner. So please kindly take care of yourself because I love you. I'm your precious host, Fafali. Meet you same time next week. I love you. Bye-bye.